IO-Link reduces the cost of wiring and automating machines. Through improved diagnostics and preventive maintenance, IO-Link increases the availability of machines and plants. Machines with IO-Link can be actively controlled, meaning that IO-Link is opening the door to the industrial Internet of Things. Here's an example. An ultrasonic barrier monitors cycle control of the transport containers. The reflector is damaged due to collision. The reduced signal strength triggers an alarm. The sensor reports damage via IO-Link to the PLC. Another IO-Link advantage is the communication standard eases the commissioning of plants. For Profinet systems, TURCK is integrating its IO-Link devices into the configuration files of the TURCK IO-Link master. PLC integration and configuration of IO-Link devices from TURCK is significantly faster and requires no additional programming. IO-Link is opening the door to the industrial Internet of Things.